As a band of ruthless raiders approaches the peaceful village, young Kofi, despite his physical disability, devises a brilliant plan to protect his home. With the villagers' trust hanging in the balance, Kofi's strategic mind becomes their last hope. The suspense builds as the village prepares for an imminent attack. The sun rises over a bustling African village nestled in a lush, green valley. The villagers are happily going about their daily activities, children are playing, and animals are grazing. The sky is clear, and the sounds of laughter and chatter fill the air. A young child named Kofi, who has a physical disability, sits alone under a large baobab tree, watching the other children play. He traces patterns in the dirt with a stick, his thoughtful and determined expression contrasting with the carefree joy around him. Child 1 said, "Come on, Kofi. Join us." Kofi, smiling sadly, answered, "Maybe later. I like watching." The village chief, accompanied by the village elders, stands on a raised platform in the center of the village. The villagers gather around, their faces filled with concern. Chief said, "My people, we have received grave news. A band of raiders is approaching our village. We must prepare to defend ourselves." Villager answered, "What will we do, Chief? We are not warriors." Chief replied, "We will find a way. Together, we are strong." Kofi, a young African child named Kofi. He is around 10 years old and has a physical disability, using a simple walking stick for support. Kofi has a thoughtful and determined expression on his face. He is wearing traditional African clothing, which is colorful and vibrant, hidden behind the baobab tree, and listens intently. Inspired, he starts drawing in the dirt, sketching out his ideas. A few curious children gather around to watch, whispering among themselves. Child 2 asked, "What are you doing, Kofi?" Kofi answered, "I have an idea. We can set traps and create defenses. Look, here and here." Child 3 replied, "Can this really work?" Kofi, nodding confidently, said, "Yes, it can. But we need to tell the elders." Kofi, accompanied by the children, approaches the village elders who are deep in discussion. The children urge him forward, and he nervously presents his plan. Elder 1 asked, "What is this, Kofi?" Kofi replies, "I have a plan to defend the village. Look, we can set traps here, and position our people here." Elder 2 acknowledged, "This is impressive. But can we trust it will work?" Chief said, studying the drawings, "Kofi's mind is sharp. We will follow his plan." The villagers, following Kofi's plan, work tirelessly to prepare traps and defenses. Everyone, including the children, has a role. There is a sense of unity and hope. Villager 1 placed the spikes here, just as Kofi showed us. Villager 2, "We must hurry. The raiders will be here soon." Kofi, directing, "Make sure the nets are hidden. They won't see it coming." As the sun sets, the raiders approach the village. The villagers, hidden and ready, watch with bated breath. The traps are triggered, and chaos ensues as the raiders are caught off guard. Raider 1 asked, "What is this?" "A trap." Raider 2 replied and shouted, "Retreat. We are outsmarted." Chief, rallying, "Now, my people. Defend our home." The village celebrates their victory with joyous dancing and singing. The chief calls for silence and acknowledges Kofi's bravery and intelligence. "Chief, today, we were saved not by strength, but by the wisdom of one of our own." Kofi, step forward. Kofi, shyly, "I only did what I could." Chief, "You did more than that. You are our hidden warrior." Kofi stands proudly as the chief gives him a special role in the village as a strategist and advisor. The villagers cheer and celebrate him. "Chief, from this day forward, Kofi will be our strategist. We will look to him for guidance." Villager 3, 3 cheers for coffee. Crowd, hip, hip, hooray. True bravery and intelligence come in many forms. Everyone has unique strengths that can make a difference. Never underestimate the power of a determined heart.